Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on that BMW here, E46. And you know, that's one of the main builds on our channel, World Mechanics, guys. So we're going to diagnose the traction control system, ABS system, because we have a problem. Something's going on there. We did a control arm replacement, had to disconnect the sensors. And check it out now. We have traction control light, brake light and flat tire light on, even though we don't have a flat tire. So let's go ahead and see what's wrong. We're gonna scan the system with Max Assist. Stay with us, guys. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. Okay guys, we have the sender unit connected to your OBD, ignition is on. Okay, and let's go ahead now. We selected BMW. Okay, let me show you here now quick. Okay, BMW, you can do almost any vehicle you can think of with that too, it's amazing. Manual selection, 3 series, okay, E46 330 Ci convertible. Okay, this one right here, M54 USA left-hand drive side in our case, and ours is June of 2005, so that's the one we will select. Yes, and now let's go ahead, connect it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, and we're gonna go next to the module, the computer for the traction control and the ABS light. Okay, so let's go ahead, do that. Diagnosis, control unit. Okay, chassis right here, and then we need to go to ABS DSC. Alright, let's see what the problem is there now. Working on it now. It's gonna take a little bit of time to connect to the computer, and next we're going to read the code. Okay, let's check now. We have two not present codes and one is present. The present is steering angle sensor, which means that we might have to calibrate the steering angle sensor. Okay, and that's what we have now. So we're going to attempt to delete those and see what happens next. Okay guys, so we're going to exit this menu and we're gonna go to erase codes. Yes. Okay, let's see. Codes have been successfully erased. Okay, let's read the codes and see if we have anything present now. Okay, steering angle sensor, that's the one that causes our problem. So most likely it's either a bad sensor or we'll need to calibrate the steering angle sensor. Let's check it out now and see what we need to do next. So next guys, we're gonna go to service right here, and after that we'll select chassis again. Okay, ABS, DSC. So now we need to go to find the sensors and we need to calibrate those. So let's see how that's gonna work. Hopefully that's gonna fix our problem and we don't need to replace anything. Adjustment sensors right here. So steering angle sensor, you can see this one. Okay, matching. So, do you wish to carry out steering angle sensor matching? Yes, we confirm. That's our plan at least. Set wheels precisely in straight ahead position. Okay, everything's good. Steering wheel is pointing forward. So let's click OK. And sometimes it might take more than one tries. At least in the past I had that experience. Usually second, third one will work. Oh, it worked first time. The matching procedure was carried out correctly. Perfect. So now we need to go ahead and turn the ignition off. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, and let's turn it back on. Let's start the car now. No ABS lights. You can see guys, no traction control lights. So that fixed our problem, guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, give us a like, and let's grow that channel together.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.